at those. Oh, good ones. Yeah, they don't have regular white or black jelly beans, which are really good for hiding. Layla, look.
Well, I'll remember that next year.
Look at those jelly beans right on the...
No, that's band-aids. No more jelly beans.
You're getting warmer. You're getting warmer, Layla. Oh my gosh, you're about to burn up.
Oh my gosh. How
Wow.
funny is that? Clara, come over here.
We can eat one of those apples.
Clara, no, don't eat that.
Clara, come here, my girl.
Clara, look. Clara, hint. Clara, find those, honey. Because she can't see a lot of them. Let her find those. Good job.
And Layla, I think they're... Look at the fruit bowl again.
Oh, no.
Look at the fruit bowl. Okay, take a look.
The bigger fruit bowl.
Right on the big fruit bowl.
Oh, that silly Easter bunny put yellow one on a banana.
Okay, here, look, Clara. Look, Clara. Look right here. Oh, no, Layla. Later, let her put that back. Let her get one.
I'm gonna give it to her.
Okay, she can grab it though. Here, Clarabelle.
Clarabelle.
Clara, right here.
I forgot to bring this shamrock. It was flowering. It was in my car for 2 nights. Oh, and it was kind of frozen when I brought it in last night because I watered it and it kind of too bad.
I can't find any.
Let me make some food for them.